Hear that noise?
Will it lose my place in line?
Oh!
Okay. Okay.
Bitch.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
She just sneezed in Jordan's face.
What'd you do?
She sneezed in my face.